Kublai pi baros katup Khubor jungi keran bos ke media network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah ke sengi Shillong. Harian ke jingja hamukro, hal ke sorkar, nyau tiliki tempulen. Blood se sa ke Shillong Archdiocese ye ke khasi Roman Missal. Menjur ke kabinet ban ai jing sumar bapaka ye kinong pang hakabor perkhan. Ban Klan mongor kiseng halang rilung garo ha office JHATC. Tementang ne phaish ki Khubor ki bakham bania. Ka kenhon menteri hene ka singi ka arpo khandai tare unai wing kala menjur banbu hadu hinyau tli ki tempulet lani ki border outpost ha ki jaka bala ban mi ki jingkulmar ki badon ha khaput Meghalaya bat Assam. Kita ki tempulet bala menjur banbu ki kenthop nadu ka Muriap BOP ha East Jante Hills ka Mukro BOP bat ka Tiwe BOP ha West Jante Hills ka Rani Jirang BOP ha Ribhoy ka Umwali BOP Leja Dubi BOP Barkalangpi BOP ha West Khasi Hills. Laban kedau hang ni bakadai hadin ke jingja sya thombor hamukro kabala penlong ka sorkar ban sheme karai ban penmi bon ki ketampulet ban yada yakipat khapun.
The third and the most important decision for today was the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Jente Hills in Muriap, in West Jente Hills in Mukro and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Jente Hills. In Ribhoy, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Leja Dubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athyabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest.
Mentaka singi ka arpo khandai tare unai wing 8,000 arpo haka jinga kundu olang majulong man la ubna joki phadar bat kiriuniam batre hajalaniam Shillong kabala jutip kum ka monthly recollection laishim benta shirhem da bon kilungdo bat kiriuniam joka Archdiocese haka jingpenya de Archbishop Victor Lingdo andala kut kamas bakhod ladon ka jingalang hapo hall jeng ka Cathedral Parish Hagani ka jingalang balungkon la pelat pat ba ya ka thup kenyamas haka ketien khasi ne ka khasi Roman Missal dei Archbishop Victor Lingdo. Shwa ka ne ka jing pelat la don ka jingkran ni Father Barnes Mauri halor ka phang jo ka synod 8,000 arphulai badru ka jing ai Khubor Christmas dei sister Shalini. Hashwaban penkut ya ka jingalang ya Archbishop ila ai ka tu ka ne ki jing penbena ka dor jo ka khasi Roman Missal badang shu pelat ka dei 6,000 news patengka kador joka yeng Kristan kadai arspa san paushisnem kandon ruka youth convention jongka Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement lakhat santri ukalalengkon 8,000 arpulai haparis jongsha barshu Archbishop ilaong bakandon ka jing penkentang lengdo soble ya baro ki dikon bahab haka Shillong Archdiocese haka arpoi tari ukalalengkon 8,000 arpulai hapalau yeng maniba.
To reach last week what do the problem will not reach anymore. So any time of these days will come and we will inform you in June. Any time will come one of these days, we will inform you about the calendar 2023. The next monthly recollection will be next year, January, 31st of January, the 31st of the Bosco. So we'll have a recollection at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Priestly ordination will be on 21st January at 1 o'clock in the afternoon inside the cathedral. All the fathers, sisters, brothers, are most welcome for the Holy Mass. Then there will be a youth convention of the Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement, SACYM, in Jongsha Parish on the 15th January 2023. All are invited, whole day. So those priests, religious, and sisters, fathers, and laity are invited for the program. Then the Kyrgyzstan has one of the price, 250 per year. Kyrgyzstan. So not so much, but inform the people and also subscribe now for the next year.
Kakunhon Menteri Cabinet juga Sorkar Meghalaya, kala Raiban Penteri Kam yaka State Mental Health and Social Care Policy Arhajar Arpuar, kalat ban sumari kinong pang hakabor perkhat hakarukom kabak paka barbajanai. Kani karai juga Sorkar kala penkemen shikadai e Menteri Kakwat Kakia James PK Sangma. U James ula ongba kilat sumar sukher berkidawai da sheni kinong pang bor perkhat kilong kibaram hadu kata. Ula ongru bahaden ka klam COVID-19 bon ki breu ki layat lengba bon ki jing e haka jing em. Kani kala khata e ki jing mu jing perkhat jong ki pat ba. La don ru baki khap baki breu ki la dekat e la ka jong ka jing em. Ka Sorkar Jylla kadang pej benya ban kershani ki tu ki badon kam ki jing sumar sukher lengba ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS.
So we've, as a government, as a health department, we felt it extremely necessary that we must address this issue of mental health and have a focused and targeted approach towards how we want to take mental health care in the future. In terms of what we need to do, we are right now, MIMHANS or other institutions are doing their best, but they need the kind of support that is required from the government. And I think where we stand right now, we need a lot more in terms of how we are going to tackle mental health issues. And as I said, that this is something which is very silent. It's going on. I mean, something as simple as depression. I mean, a lot of people don't even realize that depression is a mental health issue, and I could be having or you could be having it and not realize that we are going through depression. So those kind of things are so silent and so quiet that we often miss all those kind of things. People don't come forward. So a lot needs to be done, especially going down right to the grassroots. We need to really have a system whereby we provide the care pathways, which means that anyone who feels that he's having this problem can immediately go to the first point where they can talk to psychiatrists or counselors, and also in terms of having a whole not just the primary, secondary, but also at the tertiary level, which is MIMHANS, what you were just mentioning. So yes, there's a lot more needs to be done at that tertiary level as well.
Kiseng bhalang na rilum garo kibakentup yaka GSU, GSMC, All Aceh Youth Welfare Society kila yatali melon hakawe ka jingmut ban kelan mongor hakmat ka office jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ban dawa penlong ain yaki dustur ki riti joka jai ban Rio Garo bakan yada yaki na ka jingshim kabu joki khwan mentoy bar ka baar pan ban penmi yaki electoral roll tang na banta ki Riolum Garo ban pendon kam haka election district council. Kani ka jingye ki kelas dang haka arpo khandai tarik bat beteng hadu lai phau tarik unai wing haba ka GHADC kadang shong dorbar hakani ka kanti kinong alam kini kiseng kila keno baki brio ki barna bar daka jingerap jongka GHADC kila khnyat ikipat ba Garo hakiba bon kiliang joka yo ka kon bar kilat kamai ka ji
wan dikin ba chimi nang chumut ka barayara am thang thang ni simari ko am thang thang ni nok chamrang ko am thang thang ni ma dei ma jong na am thang thang ni nokuba deiba na sugubarang na dakim na chinga kenchakagnang chinga yakho ata chinga taong ba kumongi aklang king kwa aro ikore don thongjawa dalsan ongjawa andi ba khang jiba chinga iko takang kugen chingni nangni kan ide acik jat kemek tongin keba kaket kemek kan iri bain ma ya nak ba ongatan yo kumong nang remani ko no milian ko misok ken ba unity nang strength nang takbo namgen nim nang adi sakan ti ko nino dongin keba garuil susun ongjamai na dingtang dingtang iri rong ba ongjamai na dingtang dingtang uci abri konan usko dong ba ongjamai na kemek sakan ti ko ni bain ma kumong ani ko nen ba milim na ching hai dakremi ni na nen ba ngade sakan ti mo mo ta angasan ongja tao dingtang keba anchingni dilgabarangoni bisung agan anggen nasi mengumung ni agan aku ba kupatian ni ku ba mulai ni ku ba na timcina batela
Kagaro Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC haka arpo khandai tarik unai wing kala kentat mardor ban penlong anya ka motion lane ka jingterwa jong Alphonsus Armarak MDC ka William Nagar haba ulada wa ban donno da ka electoral bakarpang tangna ka banta ki voter jong Kagaro haka election MDC Alphonsus ula ongba ula wanra ekani ka jingterwa lane ka motion namar ki pat ba reulum Garo ki sliang bat thrang bandon da ki electoral roll bakarpang tang na kabanta jong ki banjir ya ki MDC. Alphonsus ula penpau ya ka jing sngosi baka GHADC kampriang ya ka jing thrang jki pat ba ka jat benriu. Ula ongru ba ukwa ban penken mau sha baro ki nong yalam ban bu hakmat ya ki pat ba haki jing jing kam jong ki.
Ma sodarang lak stakeholders rang na simangni mulmulanio bianio ba didianio ba ya ko ba na simang ba blak pate dabiani ko dakpagin small de motel begin mijari ang pa September ni 7 tarik ni print media rango nakswani gaman changa ya CRPC aro CPC je kon court of criminal procedure aro court of civil procedure yarangi gaman Meghalaya adoko apal batatna nemengna dalbata chubata kachariyarongna kachariyarang onar angna nemengna ching state cabinet ni decision ko ani ko chunga jegal chumota chunga jegala aro angan thang personally anching daung engpa GHADC ni CM pal binus marak chibanga grongani ko dakchok biangna kuchakani ko dakacham chunga yako jegalani ko dakahane adiba dalona khungkhung chunga black and white jegalani copy rangko chunga da thang de naksona kata makuza Misal bakni sesino yakon anga angi question ba rabachan aro yakot ngaba chngoni kita jegalani ko dakingan gepa akan cakani kumang mangsan akan cake dun kuaya
Bara kitu ki khubor la poisha ka bakun tar hadu bangin de syambiang khublai shibun